Hi everyone, welcome to Themes Code. Today in this course, I will teach you how to create and manage an e-commerce website built with WooCommerce and WordPress CMS. WordPress is a popular open source CMS and WooCommerce is a great WordPress e-commerce plugin to build any kind of online store. In this course, I will teach you each and every features of WooCommerce plugin. So, I guarantee you can be a master of WooCommerce plugin if you watch the full course. I will show you everything step by step. I will complete this course in 6 simple steps. Step 1, install WooCommerce. Step 2, install Woostify theme. Step 3, add product. Step 4, WooCommerce setup. Step 5, order process. Step 6, theme customization. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1, install WooCommerce. This is the dashboard of our website. To install the WooCommerce plugin on this WordPress website, navigate to the Plugins tab and click Add New. On the plugin search box, type WooCommerce. The first one is our required plugin developed by Automatic Company. Click Install Now button. After installing successfully, click Activate. Now you are on the setup wizard of WooCommerce. First, insert the address details. Then select the country. I choose here United States, New York. After that, I input the city, New York. Finally, provide the postcode and email address and proceed to continue. A pop-up window shows up to get permissions to track non-sensitive data. I hit yes, count me in. Now, you need to choose the industry type of your store. I select the first checklist, fashion, apparel, and accessories. Then hit continue again. Now, select the product type. I select here physical products, downloads, and subscriptions. Hit the continue button. You will see a couple of drop-down menus here. The first option says how many products do you want to plan to display. I select here 1 to 10. The next one is currently selling elsewhere. I select no option for the drop-down menu and hit the continue button. For the last time, hit the continue button on this setup wizard. Now you can choose a WooCommerce compatible theme from here. Two types of themes are here, paid and free. These are the paid themes. Click on the free themes. Only 6 themes are available. I skip this step right now. Now I'm redirected to this page to create a Jetpack account. I'm not doing it right now. So let's get back to the WordPress admin dashboard. As you can see, the WooCommerce dedicated menu comes. In addition, other necessary new tabs appears, such as Jetpack, MailPoet, Feedback, Products, Payments, Analytics, and Marketing. Now, let's install a theme. Step 2. Install and activate the Woostify theme. For making this tutorial, I have decided to work with the Woostify theme because this theme is specially designed and developed to build a WooCommerce website. It's free, lightweight, and well-organized WooCommerce theme. To install the Woostify theme easily on your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Appearance and select Themes. Hit Add New over there. Now at the top right corner, you will find a search box. Type here Woostify. The required theme appears. Hover the mouse cursor on it and click on Install button. After installing, activate the theme. The theme is now activated. Under the Appearance tab, you will find a new menu called Woostify Options. Click on it. Now we are on the dashboard of the Woostify theme. Switch over the Starter Templates option. From here, you can import a complete e-commerce demo website, including some demo data. To do that, click on Install Woostify Library. After a while, the Import Demo button appears. Click on it. Woostify redirects you to the Setup wizard. At first, click the Start button. Now, you need to import a starter site. Two types of starter sites you can find here, Pro and Free. From the free option, I select the fashion theme. After that, click Next. Now you need to install some essential plugins. Click Advanced to explore them. As you can see, Woostify recommends you to install these plugins: Contact Form 7, Elementor, Instagram Feed, TI WooCommerce Wishlist, and Variation Sources. You can unselect any plugin to prevent the installation from here. OK, I select all these plugins and click Install. After installing, the Import Starter Site starting appears. Expand Advanced. You can find the options: Content, Widgets, Options after import. You can unselect any of this as well. OK, now click Start Import. OK, all are done. Now click View Your Website, and this is the home page of the website. Now go to the dashboard again. To see changes, scroll up and click on Dashboard. As you can see, a warning appears. WooCommerce Wishlist plugin is misconfigured. To configure it, click the Run the Setup Wizard link. TI Wishlist Setup Wizard appears. Hit Let's Go button. From the Page Setup Settings, I select from this drop-down menu Wishlist page for my wishlist. After that, hit the Continue button. Then Button Options comes up. You can change the button options. You can change the button position from the respective drop-down menu. OK, I keep default settings and hit Continue again. Next is Progressing Options. How products should be removed from wishlist. You can select manually or automatically from this option from the drop-down menu. Then click the Continue button. I do not change any settings from the Share option, so I hit Continue again. Finally, Support comes. You can enable or disable the Support Set option in this way. Lastly, click on the Continue button once again. Congratulations, your wish list is ready. OK, now click Return to the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, 5 new tabs have come, and they are Variation Sources, Contract, TI Wishlist, Elementor Templates, and finally Instagram Feed. Now let me add a product. Step 3. Add product. At first, I navigate to Products and then All Products. At the time of importing the starter template, these dummy products have come. Now let's click on View to see the appearance of the short sleeve t-shirt on the website. This is the single product phase. OK, let's go back to the previous scenario. You can also edit the information about this product. Click Edit to proceed. Update a product information. Now let's change the sales price. I give the price $28 here. After that, hit Update. OK, the sale price is updated successfully from the backend. Let's check from the front end. To see the updated information on the website, click on View Product here. As you can see, we are redirected to the respective single product page. And here it is. The sale price shows $28. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. To add a product, navigate to Products and then select Add New. Add a simple product. You have to start with the name of the product. For example, I type here Polo T-shirt, then write product details. Here. Next is product data. Scroll down. From this drop-down menu, you need to select a product type. There are 6 types of products: simple product, grouped product, external product, variable product, simple subscription, and variable subscription. I'm going to add a simple product right now. Now, you need to check the virtual and downloadable fields. The respective options appears. As the Polo T-shirt is a physical product, that's why I keep these fields unchecked. From the General tab, I type the regular price $15. After that, I will enter $12 for the sale price. Now click Schedule. You can also make a schedule for this thing in this way. Okay, I will cancel it for now. Next, click on the Inventory tab. Inventory. First, you need to enter the SKU for this product. I entered here LB1001. Do you want to manage stock? If your answer is yes, you must select this checkbox. Enable stock management at product level. Let's check it. 3 new options come. Stock quantity, allow barcode, and low stock threshold instead of stock status. Okay, I check it once again to work with this option. Here, I enter the stock quantity 40, allow barcode consists of 3 options: do not allow, allow but notify customer, and allow. I select here allow, which means the customer can order the Polo T-shirt even the product is out of stock. After that, I enter 10 for low stock threshold, which means the inventory manager will get a notification that the product is running out. The manager needs to add products to the inventory quickly. If you check sold individually, your customer will be allowed to purchase only one product at a time. Okay, I uncheck it and hit the Shipping tab. Here, you need to provide shipping related information. For example, I enter the weight of this Polo T-shirt of 0.215 kg. Okay, now click on the linked products tab. The first option is upsell. Upsells are the products that you will suggest to your customers. Woostify theme will show upsells underneath the product's description on the single product page. To add an upsell product, click on the search box here. Now type the required product name. The desired product name appears. Click on it. In the same way, you can add another product here. Okay, the next option is cross-sells. Cross-sell products are prompted in the cart depending on the current product, like this. Cross-sell products can be added exactly the same way as upsell products are added. Okay, now hit Attributes. This section is especially designed for the variable products. So I leave from here and go to the Advanced section. I type a purchase note here. Thank you for purchasing this Polo T-shirt. Moreover, you can disable the product review. To do that, unselect this tick mark. However, I keep the tick mark for enable reviews. Scroll down. The next part is the product short description. You can type some short text here and add media file and contact forms. Now focus on the right side. You will see product categories. You need to select a product category and a new category from here. This category comes in at the time of importing the fashion template. I select here t-shirt, scroll down, next add product tags here, t-shirt, polo shirt, scroll down once again. Now let's set the image of the product. To do that, click Set Product Image. Now select Files. Next, go to the required directory. Select desired images from the computer and hit Open. Finally, click on the Set Product Image button. As you can see, the product image shows up here. The last option from the right side is the product gallery. You can make a gallery of the images for this product with the help of this option. I'm not doing that right now, so I close this window. Now let's scroll up and hit the Publish button. The polo t-shirt product has been published just now. You can see the message Product Published. To see this product on the website, click View Product. This is the single product page. This is the product image. The name of the product displays here. After that, regular price, sales price shows up. Next is product details. This 40 is the stock quantity. This is SKU, product catalog, product category, and tags will be found right after SKU. Scroll down, you can see product short description here. Now click on additional information. You will find the product widgets here. Now scroll down again. 2 products are listed here. You may also like this section. These shirts are actually the upsell products. Related products are found below the upsells. Okay, that's it. Now go to the admin dashboard. Add group product. Hit products. See, polo t-shirt is listed here. Now let's create another type of product. Click on Add New button. I enter the product name T-shirt for men. Then directly come to the product data section and select the product type Grouped Product. See, the option changes automatically and the inventory comes fast. I enter the SKU 1002. Next, click Linked Products. Now enter the name of some products on the Grouped Products search field. Okay, now scroll down and include a short description over here. After that, I select the product category, man and t-shirt. Scroll down and upload a product image. After inserting the image successfully, scroll up and hit Publish. After publishing successfully, you will see the permalink over here. Click on it. We are on the live website right now. The first thing you may notice here is the image of the product. This is the product name. This is the range of minimum and maximum prices of the grouped product. And these are the products that are bundled in this group. If you click over here, you will be redirected to the respective single product page. For instance, I hit T-shirt Dad. We are now on the T-shirt Dad named single product page. Okay, let's get back. You will find the SKU and categories. Okay, that's it. Now go to the admin dashboard and navigate to products again. See, T-shirt for men named group product is shown here. Add affiliate product. Now let me show you how to add an affiliate product. To do that, click Add New button. Before adding new information, let's dive into Amazon's website. To do that, click this plus sign to add new tab. Now type amazon.com on the address bar of the web browser and press enter. You will see the search box at the middle of the top of the website. I click on it and type bag and finally press enter. Here I choose the second one, Adidas Alliance. To explore the information about this bag, click on it. This is a single product page of Amazon. I select the product title and then right click on the mouse cursor to select the copy option and paste it on the product name text box of the WordPress admin panel. Then I skip the product details and jump into the product data section. From here, I select the product type external affiliate product. In general tab, you need to enter the actual link to this product from Amazon. To do that, go to the Amazon page, copy the link of the single product page and paste it here. The next option is button text. I type on the text box buy product from Amazon. If any customer click on this button, he will be redirected to this Amazon link with your affiliate code. Then I enter the $20 for the regular price and $17 for the sales price. I'm skipping the other options right now. However, I select the product category bags. After that, scroll down and set the product image. Now scroll up and hit the publish button. Congratulations, the product has been published successfully. Now, let's check this product on the website. To do that, click on the View Product link. See, the bag is displayed here successfully with the given information. Now click on the Buy this product from Amazon button. And yes, you are redirected to the actual Amazon page of this bag. Okay, that's it. Now, let's get back to the All Products on the admin dashboard once again. As you can see, Adidas Alliance product has been listed here successfully. Add variable product. Now, I want to show you how to add variable products. But let me add some attributes first. To work with the variable product, adding attributes is mandatory. Add attribute. Click on the Attributes tab under Products. As you can see, the color attributes has been added here already. Therefore, let me add some attribute. To do that, enter the name of the attribute size. From this drop-down menu, I select attribute type color. Now, hit Add Attribute. See, the size attribute is added here. Now, you need to click Configure Terms and Size. To add a new size, first give the name of the size. Now click Select Color. From here, scroll down. I select the green color for the size to identify it. After that, click Add New Size. See, the small size in green color is added here. In the same way, I add large color in blue color. Let's get back to the attributes. Here you can see two attributes. The first one is color with 4 terms: black, orange, red, and white. The last one is the size, which has only 2 terms, large and small. Now we are ready to add variable products. To do that, hit Add New button. First, enter the product name. Let's say Casual Hoodies. I skip the product details and scroll down to select the variable product from the product data. Okay, now I skip first option, Inventory, and jump to the Attributes. Click on this drop-down menu and select the color option. After that, hit the Add button. The color section appears. Now you need to select the color items under values. Click on it. All the color options appears one by one. First, I select orange color and then select white. After that, I mark the option used for variations. Lastly, hit Save Attributes. See the color attributes is added here. In the same way, I add the size attribute. Here, I select both large and small size. Well, now go to the variations. Here you can find a drop-down menu again. Just click on it and select the second option, Create Variations from All Attributes. After selecting, click on Go button. An alert box shows up in no time. Don't get worried. Click OK. Once again, another alert message shows up. Click OK and yes, finally, all the possible variations are added. As you can see, there are 4 variations: orange large, orange small, white large, white small. To explore the first one, let me click on this drop down sign over here. On the left side, you will find the changing image option. Click on it to upload an image. From here, click Upload File. After that, click on the Select Files button. Go to the required directory and select the desired image. Then hit Open. After uploading, click the button named Set Variation Image. See the required image is uploaded successfully. After inserting an image, I enter the SKU code here VVOL01. Scroll down. For the regular price, I enter the value 25. For the sale price, I enter the value 22. Do your own experiment for other options. You can also include information for the remaining 3 attributes in the same process. After inserting information, click Save Changes. Now scroll down and come to the product short description. You can include a brief description of the product here. Okay, now scroll up. Since this is a hoodie product, but there is no hoodie option in the product categories, we need to add the hoodie category here. To do that, click Add New Category. Enter hoodie on this text box and hit Add New Category. The hoodie category is successfully added here and checked automatically. After the category, I add product tags, hoodie. Now scroll down and set an image of the product after uploading a common image. Scroll up, lastly hit Publish. Variable product showcasing. The Publish button has been changed to Update. Product published message appears. That means the variable product have been uploaded successfully on the website. To view the variable products, click the Preview Changes button. You see the product image named Casual Hoodie. This is the price range. Then you will find product short description. The next is variation, color and size. Let's click the drop-down menu under the color option. Select orange from color and click large for size. Okay. See, the orange colored hoodie shows up with the regular price $25 and the actual price $22. In the same way, you can select other variations and see the respective results here. After that, scroll down. You will see the edition information, color and size. Scroll down further. Recently viewed products displays here. Okay, I close this tab and go to All Products under Products. As you can see, casual hoodies at the top of the list of all products. Add category. Okay, now let's add a new category. To do that, hit the Categories tab. I enter the name of the category, Downloadable. Next, you can insert your desired slug here. After that, you can select the parent category from this drop-down menu. However, I keep that none. Next, I add the description of this category, downloadable digital products. After that, select an option, enable or disable for single Ajax add to cart. In the same way, you can also select the disabled or enabled option for enable thumbnail for page header busy. Next, you can find the display type option. Finally, upload the image for this category. Click the upload or add image button. Select upload files. Now hit select file. Go to the required location of the image and select that. Click open. Next, click use image. At last, hit add new category. Okay, the category is listed here. Now, add new tag. Now, let's see how to add a new tag. At first, go to tags under products. Then I give the name of the new tag, digital. Next, you can add slug and description. After that, select enable or disabled option for single Ajax add to cart. After finishing, click add new tag button. See, the digital named tag has been created successfully. Create a downloadable product. Now, let's create a downloadable product. At first, I go to all products, then hover the mouse cursor over Flow t-shirt and click on duplicate option. As you can see, all the information on Flow t-shirt is copied successfully. At first, I change the product name themes code ebook. Next, click the edit button of permalink. After that, copy the product name themes code ebook and paste it here. Then hit OK. The permalink is changed successfully. Now, I don't want to change the product details, so I directly jump over to product data section. Here, you need to check these two fields, virtual and downloadable. Besides, regular price and sale price. 3 new fields have come: downloadable files, download limit, and download expiry. At first, I changed the regular price 35 and set the sales price 30. After that, click add file. Now enter the file name themes code ebook. Next, click choose file. Select upload files. After that, click on the select files button. Now choose your required file. Finally, hit insert file URL. See, the PDF link is automatically created. Moreover, you can add another file in the same way. Just click add file button, give the file name and locate the file. Okay, I click this cross sign to remove it. Next, you can set the download limit and download expiry with the help of this up and down arrows. I'm leaving those fields blank at this moment. Now hit the inventory and change the SKU DD on and uncheck the manage stock. The next is stock status. I keep this option in stock. The last option here is sold individually. I check this option so that a customer can buy this product once in a single order at a time. I discussed the other options before. I hope you are capable of working with these options now. So do it by yourself. Next is product short description. I remove the text and type here this is a downloadable digital product. Now scroll up. Under all categories, you can see our newly added category downloadable. So uncheck the t-shirt and select the downloadable category. Next is product tags. I remove all the previous tags by clicking this cross sign and type digital on this search field to add our newly added tag. See, the digital named tag appears. Click on it. After that, hit add button. That's how you can add tags. Now scroll down and change the product image. Finally, scroll up and hit publish. Next, let's see how it looks on the website. To do that, you can click View Product or click the permalink. Also, hitting the preview changes will send you to the single product page. As you can see, the product image shows up. The product name and the prices are shown correctly. Next is the product short description. You can also see a button named Add to Cart. No increase and decrease options are applied here. As usual, SKU, category, and tag informations are displayed here successfully. Now close this tab and go to all products. See, the themes code ebook is listed here. Okay, I have done from the products options so far. WooCommerce Settings. Now, let's take a tour of WooCommerce setting options. First, hover over the WooCommerce menu and select Settings. General Settings. Setting start with the General tab. The first section is Store Address. We have filled up the store location on the Setup wizard. So now, come to the next section, General Options. First is Selling Location. In this drop-down menu, you will find three options. First option is Sell to all countries. This means you can sell your products to any country in this world. The second one is Sell to all countries except for. Now you need to choose a country where you don't want to sell your product. You can select multiple countries here. And the last option is Sell to specific countries. Here you need to sell specific countries to sell the product. You can add multiple countries as well. Okay, I select the first option. Next settings is Shipping Location. There are four options available in the drop-down menu. Ship to all countries, you sell to. Ship to all countries, ship to specific countries only. Disable shipping and shipping calculations. If you choose shipping to specific countries only, a new field will appear to choose the specific countries like this. If you choose Disable Shipping and Shipping Calculations, WooCommerce will not ask your customer for a shipping address. This setting will remove the shipping calculation from the cart and checkout page. I choose here second on Ship to all countries. The next is the default customer location. It also contains four options: No location by default, Shop country, Geolocate, and Geolocate with page caching support. If you select the No location by default option, WooCommerce will calculate no tax before inserting the customer location. Shop country and region option will calculate taxes and shipping according to your store location. Finally, Geolocate uses customers' IP address to locate them so the WooCommerce can calculate taxes and shipping. I select the first one. Once again, the following setting is Enable Taxes. I check the option here, Enable Tax Rates and Calculations. If you uncheck it, WooCommerce will hide the tax settings page. The following one is enable coupons. By default, enable the use of coupon codes option is checked. Selecting this option allows your customer to use coupon codes in your store. Then I click the following checkbox for the option calculate coupon discount sequentially. OK, now scroll down. The last thing is currency option. You change the currency from this drop-down menu. OK, I have done so far from the General tab. Now click Save Changes. Scroll up. After saving the settings, your settings have been saved. Message shows up here. Now navigate to Add New from Products on the New tab. Scroll down. Here you can see tax status and tax class options in the General menu of the Product Data section. OK, I close this tab. Product Settings. Now switch to the Products tab. As you can see, there are three sub-menus: General, Inventory, and Downloadable Product. In the General menu, you will first find the Shop Pages section. You can locate your shop page from this drop-down menu. You will find all the pages in the drop-down menu. Next is Add to Cart behavior. If you check Redirect to the cart page after successful addition option, your customer will be redirected to the cart page immediately after adding the product. If you encourage your valuable customers to continue shopping and add a lot of products, you can consider enable Ajax Add to Cart button on Archives option. This option will allow your customers to add multiple products without taking away the shop page instantly. Without any kind of interruption, your customer can add products by clicking on Add to Cart button. After finishing the shopping, your customer can proceed to the checkout the products. The next is the placeholder image. You can attach here ID or URL to a default placeholder image. You will find two major settings in the measurement section: weight unit and dimensions unit. Use the drop-down menu to change the units. The last section is Review. It contains two subsections: Enable Reviews and Product Ratings. There are three options. In the Enable Reviews, enable Product Review, show verified owner label on customer reviews, and reviews can only be left by verified owners. And Product Ratings contain two setting options: enable star rating on review, and star rating should be required or not optional. OK, now click on Save Changes button. The settings have been saved successfully. Next is Inventory. All the inventory related settings are available here. If you uncheck the Enable Stock Management option, maximum settings will be disabled. In the Manage Stock, if you uncheck the Enable Stock Management option, maximum settings will be disappeared. In the Manage Stock, the first setting is Hold Stock. These settings allows customers to hold products for the given minutes while shopping. After exceeding the required time, the pending order will be cancelled automatically. To disable this setting, leave this option blank. Next is Notifications. You will find two notifications: low stock notifications and out of stock notifications. The next option is Notification Recipient. You need to provide an email address to get notified of inventory related issues. Next is Low Stock Threshold, which we have discussed already in the Product Adding section. The following option is Out of Stock Threshold. When the stock reaches your given amount, the stock status will be changed out of stock and you will get an email notification. The next option allows you to hide out of stock items from the catalog. The last one is stock display format. There are 3 options you can try here. Finally, hit Save Changes. Your settings have been saved successfully. Now, click Downloadable Products. As you can see, there are 3 setting sections: File Download Method, Access Restriction, File Name. In the case of the first option, a downloadable file will be forced to download using PHP script. Only buyers have access to that file. The next option works much like the first one, but this option supports large file and platforms. And the last one is restricted only, which has a security issue on sharing the download link of the file. Next is access restriction. The first checking option requires your user to log in to download the purchasing product. And the last option of access restriction will allow the customer to access the downloadable product after completing the payment. Okay, after completing your experiment, hit Save Changes. Your settings have been saved, message shows up. Tax settings. Now switch over to the Tax tab. You can see several setting options here. Under the tax options, the first setting is automated taxes. By default, it is disabled because if you enable this option will override tax rates that are manually added. So I keep it default. Let's check the next settings. Prices entered with tax. You see a couple of options here. The first option is yes. All enter prices inclusive of tax. This means the tax will be included with the product price. For example, if the price of a shirt is $20, your customer will not have to pay extra charge for the tax. All are included within $20. But if you select the second one, no. All enter price exclusive of tax. Your customer will need to pay additional charges for tax. This means he needs to pay the shirt price $20 plus tax amount. Okay, I enable here inclusive of tax. Next, you can see a drop-down menu for the calculated tax based on. You need to define the address to calculate tax from these drop-down options: customer shipping address, customer billing address, shop base address. I select the first one here. The following option is shipping tax class. There are 4 options in this drop-down menu: shipping class based on cart item, standard reduced rates, 0 rate. Beside the first one, the rest of the classes were created by default by WooCommerce. As you can see, the same options are there at the top: standard rates, reduced rate rates, 0 rate rates. Next is rounding option. Enable this option if your tax regulations necessitates rounding this down last when calculating the subtotal. The next option is additional tax classes. Let's create our tax class. Click here first and write custom class. Okay, now come to the display price in the shop. This option defines how the product price will display in your online shop, including tax or excluding tax. I choose including tax. Next up is display prices during cart and checkout. This drop-down menu also has the same 2 options, including tax or excluding tax. I again select the including tax. Next is the price display suffix. I write here including sales tax. This text will show after the product price on your website like this. The last option is display tax totals. 2 options are available in the drop-down menu: itemized and as a single total. A single total shows one taxable amount, whereas itemized displays each applicable tax rates. I select here as a single total and hit Save Changes. The settings have been saved successfully. Now you can see the new tax class here, Custom Class Rates. So let's insert our tax rate in the custom class. Therefore, click Custom Class Rates. To start working, click on this button, Insert Row. At first, type here US for the country code. Select United States. After that, I keep the state code, postcode, and city as a star. Then rate comes. To make it 6%, I type here only 6. After that, I give the tax name, VAT. After inserting values, press Enter. The row is inserted successfully. So, in this way, you can add another tax rate here. To delete our tax rate, select on and click Remove Selected Row button, just like this. OK, I hit the Save Changes button. You can also add tax rates to other classes as well. Shipping settings. Now it's time to explore the shipping settings. Therefore, hit the Shipping tab. WooCommerce comes with the shipping system when you want to sell a physical product. In WooCommerce, you need to add a shipping zone first. The shipping zone consists of some rules and shipping rates. So let's set up our shipping zone. Shipping zones. Click on the Add Shipping Zone button. At first, enter the zone name. For instance, I type here USA. The next thing is zone regions. I type here New York. As you can see, New York, United States region appears. Click on it. After that, you need to add a shipping method. To do that, hit Add Shipping Method. Add Shipping Method pop-up window shows up. This pop-up has a drop-down menu that contains 3 options: flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. I select here first one, flat rate, and finally click Add Shipping Method. See the flat rate method enabled here. You can disable it using the toggle switch. OK, now in the same way, I'm adding the rest of the methods here. You can remove any method from here. Just hover on any method. For instance, I hover on local pickup and click Delete. See, the local pickup method is gone. Now, let's click Edit. Under Free Shipping, you can find 5 options in the drop-down menu of free shipping requires, not available, a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount or, and a minimum order and a coupon. If you select the last 3 options of minimum order, 2 new setting options will appear: minimum order amount and coupons discounts. Suppose you input 3 in the minimum order amount here. This means the customer has to order at least 3 products to get free shipping facilities. However, I'm selecting not available from here right now. After that, hit Save Changes. Now click on Edit under the flat rate. Flat rate settings contains 3 options: method title, tax status, and cost. You can find 2 options in the drop-down menu of tax status: taxable and none. I insert 50 for cost. This means in New York, the shipping cost will be $50. Now click Save Changes. OK, let's see how the website reacts to these settings. Showcasing after setting up the shipping zone. At first, hover on site title, then right-click on Visit Site. Finally, left-click on the Open link in the new tab. It opens a new tab on the web browser. Let's dig in. Now, hover on the Shop menu and select Shop Full With. From this page, I click on my first product, laptop bag. Now I click Add to Cart. From the right side, Shopping Cart off-canvas displays. Click View Cart. On the right sidebar, you can see shipping information. It informs you to enter your address to view shipping options. Before adding a shipping address, the total is $16. Your customer needs to pay for this bag. OK, now click Calculate Shipping. First, select a country and region. From this drop-down menu, I type here US and scroll down. After finding United States, click on it. Next is State, drop-down menu. I type here New York. New York appears. Select it. Now I click on Update button. Now you can see in the shipping section, two options comes in, flat rate 50 and free shipping. Now flat rate is selected. You see the amount of subtotal is $16, but the total amount becomes $66. That's because the actual rate of the product is $16 plus the shipping cost, which is $50. That's why the total is $16 plus $50 equals $66. Now I select free shipping. As you can see, the total becomes $16. That means in New York, the shipping cost is free, which we set before in the shipping zone settings. Now let's cross-check it. Click Change Address. Let me change the country, United Kingdom, and hit Update. It declares no shipping options were found for United Kingdom and the total amount remains $60. That's because we set the shipping zone for New York, USA. Okay, that's it from now. Let's go to the previous scenario. Shipping options. Now let's go to the shipping options. The first one is calculations. There are two options. Enable the shipping calculator on the cart page, which we have just explained. The next one is hide shipping cost until an address is entered. It means shipping cost will not be shown until the customer enters the address. Let's check it practically. At first, disable the previous one and mark only hide shipping cost until an address is entered option. Hit Save Changes. Shipping options on the checkout page. Now go to the new browser, enter the website address on the address bar and press enter. Scroll down. I hover on the laptop bag and click Add to Cart. The shopping cart off-canvas menu appears from the right side. Now hit Checkout. We are redirected to the checkout page. Now you need to add the address. On the right side, you cannot see any shipping option. At first, select the country United States. Then enter the street address. Next is city. I type here New York. Next is state, and that should be New York. Finally, enter a valid zip code. And see the result on the right sidebar. And there is it. The shipping section appears. The same two options have come, flat rate 50 and free shipping. By default, flat rate is selected. Therefore, you can see the subtotal is $16 and the total amount is $66. But when you see free shipping, The total amount will be 16. Now, if I change the shipping zone, for example, I change the country here Spain, so the shipping option will be gone because we don't set the shipping zone for Spain. Okay, that's it. Now I minimize this browser and get back to the shipping options again. After calculations, you will find the shipping destination. 3 options are available here. The first one is default customer shipping address. This option will allow your customer to give billing and shipping details at checkout. The next option is default to customer billing address. This option helps the customer fill up the billing address as the shipping details. However, the customer can provide different shipping details. Let's go back to our checkout page. Scroll down. Ship to a different address option is here. Hit the checkbox. Shipping details form appears. Okay, I minimize this browser once again. The next option is force shipping to the customer billing address. After that, you will see the debug mode. You can enable debug mode here. Okay, I keep the default settings and hit Save Changes. Shipping class. Now, let's explore shipping classes. Using a shipping class, you can make a group of similar items and define the shipping rates for that class. Since we don't create any shipping class, this page remains empty. So, click on Add Shipping Class button. Under the Shipping Class column, enter the class name, Fragile. You can skip the slash. It will be inserted automatically by the system after adding the class successfully. And finally, include the description, any kind of fragile products. And finally, hit Save Shipping Classes. That's how the fragile shipping class can be added here. Now, go to the shipping zones to apply this class at a shipping rate. Here, you can see On Shipping Zone, USA. Click on it to explore. I disable the free shipping because the shipping class will not be applicable in the free shipping. So, hover on Flat Rate and click Edit. See, Shipping Class Cost, named a new section, has created here automatically. Let me change the cost of the flat rate, 5. Now, in the Fragile Shipping Class Cost, I type on the text box here 2 multiply quantity. It means the Fragile Shipping Class will cost you $2 per product in the order. Okay, next, I'm going to add a value for No Shipping Class Cost, 3 multiply cost, which means no matter how many items you buy, you will have to pay 3 times the subtotal in the class of No Shipping Class. The last option is Calculation Type. There are 2 options in the drop-down menu. Per class, charge shipping for each shipping class individually. Here, quantity and cost belong to the shortcodes of WooCommerce. And the next one is per order. Charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class. You need to choose an option as per requirements. I select the per class option here. Finally, click Save Changes. Add a shipping in a specific product. Now, navigate to all products from the products menu. To add this shipping class in a product, I click here Smart TV. Scroll down. Under Product Data, click Shipping. Here, you will find Shipping Class drop-down menu. Select Fragile from here. Click Update. The product is updated. To see the changes on the website, hit Preview Changes. I close the Preview Cart Page tab, and this is a single product page of Smart TV. First, click on the Cart menu. From the right side, the Shopping Cart of Canvas menu appears. I remove the previously added item by clicking this cross sign. OK, I close the Shopping Cart menu. Now I want to add this Smart TV to my shopping cart. To do that, hit Add to Cart. Shopping cart again appears with Smart TV. Now click on View Cart. We are on the cart page right now. I click enter a different address to change the shipping zone. Okay, then I select United States as country and New York as a state. Finally, click on the update button. The flat rate appears immediately. It shows $7 for the flat rate. Now, let's analyze how this figure would come. As I said, the cost of the flat rate $5, the shipping cost should be only $5. But I also added fragile shipping class for this product and set the fragile shipping cost value $2 for each quantity. Therefore, the value should be $5 flat rate and fragile shipping cost will be $2. That means in total, the shipping cost is $7. So, $500 is subtotal and $7 is shipping cost. Then the total is $507. Now, let's add a quantity of this product. Just click on this plus sign. The quantity of Smart TV is now 2. Hit Update Cart button. The cart page is loading. After that, it updated successfully. Now you can see the flat rate is updated and it's now $9. $9 come from $5 flat rate and 2 multiplied to fragile shipping cost. So $5 plus $4 equal $9. And the calculation of subtotal is 1 Smart TV equal $500 and 2 Smart TV equal 2 multiply $500 equal $1,000. Lastly, the total amount you need to pay is $1,000 plus $9. So the final cost is $1,009. Okay, I remove this product from the cart page for now by clicking on this cross sign. Okay, the cart is empty now. Next, I want to go to the shop page. So I hover on the shop menu and select the shop full with page. Now I hover over the second product from here, laptop bag, and click on it. First, I need to check which shipping class is associated with this product. To do that, click on the Edit Product button from the top, scroll down. Under the Product Data section, hit the Shipping tab. See, no shipping class option is selected as the shipping class for this product. Okay, now scroll up and click View Product from the top. Now click Add to Cart. Shopping cart off canvas appears with laptop bag for $16. Now click View Cart. Here you can see the subtotal of this product is $16 and the flat rate is $53. Therefore, the total amount is 16 plus 53 equals $69. Okay, now come to the flat rate calculation. Can you remember I used the cost shortcode for the no shipping class cost? I inserted 3 multiply cost, which means the cost of this shipping class will be 3 times the original price of the product. So 3 multiply 16 equal 48 for no shipping class cost, plus $5 for the flat rate of the New York, USA zone. So it's equal $53. That's how it works here. Furthermore, if you want to add multiple products, suppose I need to include 2 more products. So now the quantity of the laptop bag is 1 plus 2 equal 3. After updating the cart page, you will see the subtotal equal 3 multiply 16 equal $48. And the flat rate is 3 multiply 48 plus 5 equal 144 plus 5 equal $149. So finally, the value of the product became subtotal plus flat rate equal 48 plus 149 equal 197. Okay, that's it. I remove this product from the cart page. After that, I close this tab. Now, hover on the WooCommerce dedicated tab and select Settings. Hit the Shipping tab, hover over the zone name USA and click Edit. I disable the flat rate, then enable free shipping. And finally, hit the Save Changes button. OK, now hit the Payments tab to enter the payment-related settings area. WooCommerce Payment Methods. As you can see, there are 4 payment methods: WooCommerce Payments, Direct Bank Transfer, SEC Payments, and Cash on Delivery. In order to set up a cash on delivery system on your website, you need to enable cash on delivery first with the help of this toggle button. Then click Setup button. Here you can see Enable Cash on Delivery has been checked already. Then enter the title, description, and instructions. After that, Enable for Shipping Method options come. Hit this box. Now you need to select a shipping method. Under free shipping, I select this option, any free shipping method, and last option is accept for virtual orders. To accept it, select Accept COD. If the order is virtual option, finally hit Save Changes. You see a new message. Your settings have been saved. OK, now click All Payment Methods. See, the cash on delivery method is enabled with the Manage button instead of the Setup. SEC Payments. The next payment method I would like to enable is SEC Payments. SEC payment methods works almost like the cash on delivery. Instead of cash, customer will give you a check as a payment. Or you can make your own policy for checkout methods first. I enable checkout payments by clicking on this toggle button and hit Setup. As usual, Enable Check Payments option is checked. The next options are title, description, and instructions. After filling up these fields, click on the Save Changes button. Your settings have been saved. Message appears here. OK, now get back to the All Payments methods again. You can see SEC Payments and Cash on Delivery methods are now successfully enabled as payment method. Accounts and Privacy. Now go to the Accounts and Privacy settings. Here you can see many setting options such as Guest Checkout, Account Creation, Account Ensure Request, Personal Data Removal. Under the Privacy Policy section, you will find the options like Registration Privacy Policy and Checkout Privacy Policy. The last section is Personal Data Retention. Finally, you will find the respective settings. For instance, Retain Inactive Account, Retain Pending Orders, Retain Failed Orders, Retain Cancelled Orders, Retain Complete Orders, and Retain Enabled Subscription. To change the settings, you need to hit the Save Changes button. Email Settings. Now hit on the Emails tab. All sorts of email notification settings are listed below. You need to click any of these emails to configure that. We'll see the recipient column here, indicating who will receive the email. For example, a new order email will be received by john@brimwebs.com as the website admin. Similarly, the recipient of cancelled order, failed order, new renewal order, subscription switcher, cancelled subscription, expired subscription, suspended subscription, payment authentication request email is Mr. John, the admin of the website. The customer will receive other email type such as order on hold, processing order, complete order, refunded order, customer invoice, order details, customer note, reset password, new account, processing renewal order, completed renewal order, on hold renewal order, subscription switch complete, customer renewal invoice, and failed subscription renewal SSE authentication. To configure any of these emails, the manage option allows you to do that. Suppose I need to configure the complete order email. To do that, click on the respective manage button, and this is the complete order page. I type on the text box, "Thanks for shopping with us," for the email heading, and for the additional content, I type here, "If you have any problem or questions, please let us know. We are always with you." Okay, now hit Save Changes. Your settings have been saved. Messages appear instantly. Now go back to the previous page and scroll down. You see the cancelled subscription, expired subscription, and suspended subscriptions are disabled. To enable cancelled subscription, hit the Manage button over there. The first option you will find is Enable or Disable. I click here, Enable this email notification. After that, scroll down and hit Save Changes. Your settings have been saved message appears. Now go to the Emails tab. Once again, scroll down. See, Cancelled subscription is marked here just like other enabled emails are. In the same way, I enable the remaining two emails: expired subscription and suspended subscription. Okay, all are enabled successfully. Now scroll down. You can find the email sender options. I set the form name, WordPress, and form address john@brimwebs.com. Next, you will enter the email template section. This section contains multiple options such as header image, footer text, base color, background color, body background color, and body text color. Click on this link to see how this email template looks in the default settings. Okay, I close it. Now I'm going to change the background color. Click on this text box and enter your required color code #C5FBE4. Okay, now finally hit the Save Changes button. Your settings have been saved message appears. Now scroll down. Now again click on this link to see the changes in the background color of the email template. And yes, the background color has been changed successfully. Okay, I close this and scroll up. Advanced Settings. Now go to the Advanced tab. Here the first configuration section is page setup. Make sure these pages are set properly, such as cart page. Cart is selected. For checkout page, checkout is selected. For my account page, my account is selected. And for terms and conditions, privacy policy is selected. However, some pages can be changed according to your settings. Next are checkout endpoint and account endpoint. You can edit these things and change the endpoint as well. Okay, once you have done, click Save Changes. Okay, coupon. Well, I have done so far from the WooCommerce setting options. Now let's create a coupon. To do that, scroll down and click on Marketing menu. Under the Marketing menu, you will find a sub-menu named Coupons. Click on it. If you enter here for the first time, you will not find any coupons. Therefore, you need to add a new coupon. To add a new coupon, click Add Coupon button. Now you are on the Add New Coupon page. At first, you need to add a coupon code here. or use Generate Coupon Code button. This button will help you to generate a random coupon code. So, to do that, click on it. As you can see, a random coupon code is generated automatically. Next is description, which is the option to add any text. However, I type here March 22 coupon. Next is the coupon data section. The General tab starts with discount type. Click on this drop-down menu. You will find 7 types of discount: percentage discount, fixed card discount, fixed product discount, sign-up fee discount, sign-up fee percentage discount, recurring order discount, and recurring product discount. I select here first option, percentage discount. After that, you need to add the coupon amount. I enter here 50. This means on the cart page, if any customer uses this coupon, they will get a 50% discount for their order. Do you allow this coupon for free shipping? If your answer is yes, click on this checkbox to allow the free shipping option. Next option is the coupon expiry date. Click over here, a calendar shows up. I select 31st March 22. It means this coupon will be valid till 31st March of 2022. Okay, now click on the user restriction tab. Here, the first option is minimum spend. I enter the value here 30, which means the subtotal on your cart page should be at least $30. And the following, I enter the maximum spend is $1,000. This means over $1,000 in any shipping, this coupon will not be counted. The next is individual use only. Selecting this checkbox means your customer cannot use this coupon with any other coupon. So I mark this checkbox. By choosing the exclude sale items checkbox, you can exclude any item on sale from utilizing this coupon. The next option is products. You can include any particular product by utilizing this coupon. Just click on the search field, type your required product, and select the product. You can also remove the product from this list by hitting this cross sign. Similarly, the next option lets you exclude some specific products from using this coupon. Moreover, you can also include product categories with the help of the product categories field. That means this coupon will not work with these categorized products. The next option allows you to add a list of the products of excluded categories as well. Finally, you can allow any specific email address to use this coupon. Okay, now let's go to the next tab, Uses Limits. Here the first option is the uses limit per coupon. I enter the limit here 100. The next option is limit uses to X items. I apply here 6 items. And the last option is uses limit per user. For the first uses policy, I enter on here so that a user can use the coupon only once. Okay, all are done. Now hit publish. Coupon updated message appears. Now click on the coupon submenu under the marketing menu. See, a new coupon is listed here. Order a product. Okay guys, now let's order a product as a customer. To do that, go to the website on a new browser. I use Microsoft Edge here. Enter the website address on the address bar of the Edge browser and press enter. This is the home page of our website. Now click on Shop menu. This is the shop page. On the left sidebar, you can find the categories, filter by, color, and product tags options. In the categories section, how many products are in which category is shown here. For example, there are only 2 items in the bags category. To check this, click on bags. See, 2 bags are displayed here. OK, now go to the shop page again. Scroll down. After categories, filter by options comes in. You can filter the price range using this range slider. Suppose I need to see the product from $10 to $20. Once you have selected your price range with this slider like this, hit the filter button. As you can see, these are the products of the given price range. OK, hit the shop menu once again. Scroll down again. The next is the color option. Here you can see the black, orange, red and white color products are available on the shop page. In addition, the number of color items is displayed here. The last filtering option is product tags. I click on the polo shirt tag from here. Could you remember this polo t-shirt that I added before as a simple product? Wish list. OK, now hover on this shirt and click on the text, polo t-shirt. This is the single product page of polo t-shirt that you have been familiar with. I'm scrolling down. Now here you can see the upsell products titled You May Also Like. I scroll down again. After that, I push the scroll bar to the top. Here you can find an option, Add to Wish List, above the SKU option. Click on it. A pop-up confirmation message shows that the polo shirt is added to the wish list successfully. You are now automatically redirected to the wish list page. See, the only one item is listed here. And that is the polo t-shirt. Now go to the shop page again and add a new product to the wish list in a different way. To do that, I hover on the laptop bag and you can see the heart icon at the top right corner of the single product display. This is the Add to Wish List button. Click on it. A pop-up shows up. Hit View Wish List. Once again, this website will redirect you to the wish list page. You see a wish list menu over there. If you hit this menu, you will be on the same page. OK, now as you can see, there are 2 products on the wish list. Suppose I need to remove a product, for example laptop bag, from my wish list. To do that, click this remove icon on the product's left side. See, the laptop bag vanishes instantly. You will now see number 1 in the wish list menu, which means there is only one product available in the wish list. Let's order this polo t-shirt from the wish list page. To do that, click Add to Cart button. 2 messages appears that the polo t-shirt has been added to the cart page, which is why the wish list becomes empty. Now click on the View Cart button. Cart page. This is the cart page. At the top right corner, you will find the cart menu, which indicates that there is only one product in my cart. On the right sidebar, you can see a cross-sell product, which is cart total section. As you can see, the subtotal of the pro t-shirt is $12. Now let's add the quantity. I add in the cart 4 shirts by clicking on the plus sign button. Now click on the update cart button to update the price. And yes, the subtotal is updated to $48. So if one shirt is $12, the cost of 4 shirts will be 12 multiplied 4, $48. Therefore, the calculation is 100% correct. In addition, 4 entries in the cart menu indicates that there are 4 items in the cart, which is absolutely true. The next section is shipping, which I have discussed in details before. Click Calculate Shipping. Since I set up free shipping for New York, United States shipping zone in the shipping setting, I select the country United States and state New York. Now hit the update button. After updating successfully, the free shipping facilities is enabled for Flow t-shirt, which will be shipped to New York. So now let's add a coupon code. First, I type the valid coupon code here on the text box 2Z87TWNM. Then click on the apply coupon button. A confirmation message shows up on the top. Coupon code applied successfully. Now check the cart total. Here you can see the coupon code is applied. Here minus $24 means I got 50% discount. So 50% discount from the subtotal 48 will be $24. Therefore, subtracting the subtotal $48 from the discount amount $24, the total amount will be $24. Checkout process. Okay, I have done with the cart phase. Now let's click on the proceed to checkout button, and here is the checkout phase. Now you need to fill up the necessary fields. At first I enter the first name Darren. Then the last name Steven. Next is the company name, which is optional. After that, United States is selected as country. The next field is street address. I include here 721 Broadway. The following field is apartment details, which is an optional field. After that, I type the city New York. Then New York is selected as the state of USA. After that, I type the zip code 1003. Then I insert the phone number. The next field is the customer email address. I type here steven@brimwaves.com. If your shipping address is different from the inserted information so far, you can select this checkout, ship to a different address. Several input fields will appear to be fulfilled up properly as soon as the checkbox is checked. Okay, I uncheck it. Now scroll up. At the right sidebar, you will see the order details. Here, I select the cash on delivery option. The next checkbox is to get the email notification. This is optional. Now come to the last option. Agree to the terms and conditions of the website. This checkbox is mandatory, so I click this out. Okay, I have done with the checkout page. All mandatory fields have been filled. To order this product, click on the place order button, so the order is completed successfully. You see the message, "Thank you, your order has been received." Here are the details of your order. You see another message, "Thank you for purchasing this Flow t-shirt. The following details are subtotal, discount, shipping, payment method, and total." This is the order number 1076. Now minimize the browser. Now navigate to WooCommerce menu from the WordPress admin dashboard. Here you can find the order submenu. Click on it. Managing order. Here you can see one order is listed. This is the order number along with the customer's name. The green label status describes that the order is on processing because the total amount of the product is $24, which will be given via cash on delivery. For this reason, the order will remain in processing until the payment is done. If you click on this preview button, a pop-up window will show up. Here you will find all the information related to this order number, such as billing details, shipping details, customer's email, shipping method, customer's phone number, and payment method related to the product in this order. Then you can see all the information related to the product in this order. For example, product name and SKU, quantity, tax, and total. Next, you will see the edit button at the bottom right corner and the complete button at the bottom left corner. If you want to edit any information, you should hit the edit button, or if you get the payment, you can mark this order complete manually. To do that, hit the complete button. See, the order status has been changed from processing to complete. Email notification after completion. Now, let's log into the email address of Darren Steven. Okay, we have logged into Darren Steven's email account. You see an email from Winterpress, our e-commerce website. Click on it and here it is. The order completion email has been sent automatically to Darren Steven email. You can see here the details of the shopping. Okay, I close this browser tab and get back to the orders again to add a new order manually. Manual order. Suppose Mr. Jacob Calvin ordered 3 laptop bags via phone call or email. Your customer care receives the order. Now, the website operator or the admin has to make this order manually. To do that, click on the Add Order button. At first, you can see the order number. The number is generated automatically. Next, you can change the order date. Just click on it and select your preferred date from this calendar. The next option is Status. Click on this drop-down menu. Pending payment, processing, on hold, complete, cancelled, refund, and failed options are available here. By default, pending payment is selected. Now you need to add a product. To do that, click on the Add Items button. Several buttons appears, such as Add Product, Add Fee, Add Shipping, Add Tax, Cancel, and Save. Hit the Add Products button to add a new item. Under the product column, you will see a search option. Click on the search menu. I type here laptop bag. The desired product is seen. Just click on it. Now you can enter the quantity. I insert here 3. You can also add another product from here, but I'm not doing it right now. Do it yourself. After finishing the product adding, click on the Add button. And yes, 3 laptop bags are added here successfully. Here you can see the price of one bag is $16, and so the price of 3 bags will be 16 multiplied 3 equal $48, which is the total price. Okay, now let's apply the coupon code in this order. To do that, hit the Apply Coupon button. A pop-up shows up on the top. I enter the coupon code here 2ZA 87TWNM. After that, hit OK. After loading the dashboard, the coupon code is applied successfully. And this is the discount amount you can see here. So after using the coupon on the subtotal and order total will become $24 because this coupon code saves you cost of 50%. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see add a new custom field. The following section is for downloadable products permissions. This is not our concern right now, so I scroll up. Now you need to add the billing information. To do that, click on this edit icon. Now you need to fill up these fields. First, I enter the first name Jacob, then the last name Calvin. After that, I skip the company information of the customer. Next, I include the address under address line. Skip the address line too. Then I type New York for the city field. After that, enter the postcode on 00 on. After that, I select the country and the state. Now I enter the email address of the customer and the phone number. Finally, I select Check Payments for the payment method option. I skip the transaction ID. Next is shipping details. I click the edit icon. To copy the same billing information, click on the copy billing address option. On the top middle, a pop-up alert shows up. Hit the OK button. You see all the information in the billing address has come to the shipping address. Now check out the right sidebar. The first option is Order Actions. To choose an action, click on this drop-down menu. I select here Email Invoice or Order Details to Customer. Lastly, you can add a note here. You can select Private Note or Note to Customer option from the drop-down option. OK, I have done. Now click on the Create button to add this order. Yes, the order is added successfully. You see the confirmation message, order updated and sent. Email notification after a successful order. Let's access Mr. Jacob Calvin's email address to see whatever a confirmation email is sent or not. To do that, log into the required email. Okay, we are now in the inbox of jacob@brimwaves.com and I think this is the required email. Just click on it. Yes, this is the desired email we are looking for. Just check order number #1078. Yes, the order number is matched. The details of the order are shown here, such as order date, order information, and billing address. At the bottom, you can see the address of the website from which this email is sent. Okay, that's it from the inbox page. Now, I close this tab of the web browser and go to the order submenu. Cancel a order. As you can see, 2 orders are listed here. The latest order is on the top. You can see the status of order number #1078 is pending payment. You can change the status. At first, select the order and click on the bulk action drop-down menu. Here, you will find several options like move to trash, change status to processing, change status to on hold, change status to complete, change status to cancelled. Doing e-commerce business often requires cancelling the order of many customers. To cancel this order, select the Change Status to Cancel option and hit the Apply button. See, the status of order number 1078 has been changed to cancelled. Okay, that's it from the order submenu. Customers. Now, under the WooCommerce dedicated menu, click on the Customer submenu. Here, you will see the details of the 2 customers, Jacob Calvin and Darren Steven. You can download the details of the customers in CSV file format. To do that, click Download. Here you can see a CSV file is downloaded successfully. Click on it. In this CSV file, you can see the details of the customers. Okay, that's it. Now I close this file, hit save to keep the changes. Now click on the save button. That's it. Theme customization. Okay, I have done from the customers. Now let's customize the Woostify theme. But before customizing the theme, let's visit the website first. Introduction to all the web pages imported from Woostify. To do that, hover on the site title and hit visit site. This is the home page of the website. Now I click on the shop menu. So this is the shop page. Now hover the mouse on the shop menu, click on shop full width. This is the shop full width page. Now again hover the mouse cursor on the shop menu and click product variation. This is the single product page. Okay, the next one is my account on the left sidebar. You can see several tabs such as dashboard, order, subscriptions, downloads, and address. There are two kinds of addresses, billing address and shipping address. Okay, the following options are account details, wish list. No wish list is here. Okay, I come back. Now the last option is logout. Now go to the checkout page. You will find this under the shop menu. The checkout page is empty right now because the cart page is empty. To verify whether the cart page is really empty or not, go back to the previous page, hover on shop and select the last menu, cart, and yes, the cart page is empty. Okay, now click on the blog menu and this is the blog page. All the blog posts are listed here. Now let me click on this blog post. This is a single blog post page. Okay, now go to the contact page. The contact page is well organized. Okay, now go back to the home page. I'm going to start customizing right now. You can see the admin bar at the top. This admin bar will be available when you are logged in as the website admin. From here, you see the customize option. Click on it. Woostify theme customization panel shows up from the left side. Customization menu. You will see many customization menus here, such as site identity, layout, color, buttons, typography, WooCommerce, performance, menu, widgets, homepage settings, and additional CSS. If you think this customization panel bothers you, you can hide it by clicking on Hide Controls button. Hit again to unhide it. In addition, you will find options for how your website will look on different devices. Here, by default, we are viewing on desktop. The next one is tablet mode. And the last one is the mobile device. Okay, now get back to the desktop version. Insert website logo. Now, let's change the site title. Instead of this text, I insert here a logo of the website. To do that, go to Site Identity. See, the first option is logo. For inserting a logo, click on Select Logo. Now, hit the Upload Files. Then click Select Files. Now, go to the required folder and select the logo. After that, click on the Open button. then hit the select button. The system suggests you crop this image. I don't want to crop this image, so I select skip cropping, and here it is. The logo is inserted successfully, but the image is too big. To change the width of the logo image, you will find an option called logo width. Using this range slider, you can set your logo size. Typing is also welcome. I set here 70 pixel. Okay, now the logo seems great. You can also set the retina logo or mobile logo. Those are optional. Change the site title and tagline. Okay, now I scroll down. You will see the site title option. I select Themes Code Text and then press the backpress to remove it. Then I type here Clothing Chemistry. In the same way, I change the tagline. By your interests. Next is site icon. I'm not changing that right now. Do it by yourself. Okay, now click Publish. Showcasing the website logo and site title. To see the changes, I copy the web link of this website and then open a new browser tab. After that, I paste the link on the address bar and press Enter. Now you can see the logo instead of the site title and tagline, and the site title lies here. Now let's change the top bar. Text. Free shipping on orders over $70. Go back to the previous scenario and get back from the site identity menu. Now click on the layout menu. From here, you have to enter the second option from the top called top bar. Click on it, and here is the required text. Under the Content Center, I remove the text and type Welcome to the Clothing Chemistry Shop. Now hit Publish. Showcasing the new text on the top bar. Go to the next tab and reload the web page to see the changes. After reloading, it shows the changed text on the top bar. Okay, that's it. Now get back to the Woostify theme customization panel again. WooCommerce menu from Woostify theme. From now, I'll talk about the WooCommerce option in this video as it is the WooCommerce tutorial. Working with the rest of the menus is very easy. Please do your own experiment and apply them in your way. Okay, click on the WooCommerce menu. WooCommerce dedicated sub-menu shows up, such as Store Notice, Product Catalog, Product Image, Checkout, Shop Archive, Product Single, Cart Page, Shipping Threshold, and Mini Cart. Store Notice. At first, go to the Store Notice. This is the text that will be shown as Store Notice. You can change the text. This is a sticky note that will show on every pages of the website. So I click here to enable it and hit on Publish. Store Notice Showcasing. Store Notice Showcasing. This is the sticky store notice. The notice will be shown like this. To preview it on live, go to the website and reload the page. And yes, the store notice appears here. Now let's go to the shop page and see whether the store notice will be displayed or not. And yes, the store notice is seen. Similarly, on the blog page, this notice will be shown. Okay, now get back to the WooCommerce customization menu again. Product Catalog. The next menu is Product Catalog. Click on it. The first option is Catalog Mode. I enable it. This option will hide Add to Cart button. That's why it was disabled by default. Okay, I disable it. Next is the shop page display. There are three options to choose from this drop-down menu: Show Products, Show Categories, and Show Categories and Products. If you select Show Categories, only product categories will be shown on the shop page like this. If you select Show Categories and Products, both the categories and the products are displayed on the shop page. Okay, I finally select Show Products here. The next option is Default Product Sorting. In this drop-down menu, you will find 6 options to select: Default Sorting, Popularity, Average Rating, Sort by Most Recent, Sort by Price, which will be in the ascending order, and Sort by Price, which will be in the descending order. Okay, I select from here Sort by Most Recent. Now you can see the most recent products are displayed. Next is Product per row. As you can see, there are 3 products in a row. I set 4 products with the help of this range slider. And yes, it's showing 4 products in a row. If you want to come back to the default option, click on this reset button. And yes, there are 3 products in a row once again. The next option is Products per page. As you can see, there are 12 products on the shop page. I set the number 9 here. As soon as I change it, the number of products becomes 9 on the shop page. The rest of the products have gone to another page. Okay, I get back to the previous page again and set figure 12 again. After that, hit Publish. Okay, now get back to the WooCommerce menu again. Product Images. The next tab is Product Images. Click on it. The first option is the main image width. You can change the main width from here. The next option is Thumbnail width. Let me change the thumbnail width from 300 to 30. See, the image on thumbnail becomes very small. Okay, I keep it 300 again. The last section is Thumbnail Cropping. 3 options are available for this section, and they are 1:1, Custom, and Uncropped. Okay, that's it. Now hit the back arrow sign over here. Customization on Checkout. Now click on the Checkout tab. This configuration menu is only for the checkout page, so the checkout page has come. The first option is Checkout Page Layout. By default, the left one is selected. Now I'm selecting the right one to see the changes. This layout comes in. You will see the 3 major sections: Billing Details, Delivery, and the Payment. Your customer have to fill up the information for the billing details first, and only then they can access the delivery section. After finishing the delivery information, the payment option will be available. Okay, I click the last one to see how it looks like. Okay, that's enough. Now hit the first one and the layout will be better. The next option is Distraction-Free Checkout. By default, it is enabled. If you disable it, menus, search option, footer widgets will appear. Okay, it's better to disable it. The following option is the Sticky Place Order button. This feature will be available on mobile phones only. The next option is the company name field. As you can see, this is an optional requirement on the checkout page. I click on this drop-down menu to explore other options. Here you can see 3 options are available: Hidden Optional and Required. If you select the required option, an asterisk sign appears to the company name, which indicates that from now the company name is the mandatory field. If you select the hidden option, the company name will be banished from the checkout page. Okay, I keep it optional. The following option is the address line to field. There are also the same 3 options available in the drop-down menu. By default, optional is selected. I change it to hidden. See, the address line to field is gone. The next option is the phone field. The same options are available for this field here: optional, hidden, and required. The following option is highlighted, required with an asterisk. All the asterisk signs will vanish from the check page fields if you remove this tick mark. So, we need to enable this option by clicking on this checkbox. Okay, the next option is the privacy policy page. From this drop-down menu, you can select your required page. For the privacy policy page, the same thing is applicable to the terms and conditions page. Before the last one, you will get the privacy policy text, and this text are the same. Everything you type here will show up in this place on the checkout page. Finally, the option is terms and conditions. Whatever you type here will show up on this place. Okay, that's it from the checkout page. Now hit publish and get back to the WooCommerce menu once again. Shop Archive. The next step is Shop Archive. You need to go to the shop page before customizing with this option. To go here, I close this tab. Then we come to the tab next to it automatically. Now go to the shop page and then click Customize. After that, select the WooCommerce tab and then hit the Shop Archive tab. Several customization menus have come, such as shop structure, infinite scroll, product card, product content, product image, sale tag, out of stock label, wish list button, and add to cart button. At first, go to the shop structure. 4 enable or disable options come. They are shop title, breadcrumb, result count, and product filtering. Okay, I hide these things and explore the infinite scroll tab. I enable it and scroll down the page. See, no pagination is seen. If I disable it, pagination will show up. Okay, I keep it enabled. Here you can find another option, loading type. 2 options are available in the drop-down menu: button on click or auto on scroll. Auto on scroll will be very helpful when you have a lots of products on your shop page. Okay, the next thing is product card. Border style is the first option here. When you explore this drop-down menu, you can find 5 options: none, solid, dashed, dot, and double. If you choose the solid option, you will see the border style like this. In addition, if you select the next one, the dashed option, the border will be dashed style. You can set the border width as well. As soon as I set the border width to, the border becomes like this. Okay, I select the border style none. Okay, I close these tabs and explore the product content. The first option you can find here is alignment. Click on this drop-down menu. You will see 3 options here: left, center, and right. If you select left, the alignment of the product content will become left. Similarly, the alignment will be right if you click on the right option. I think the center is preferred on, so finally I choose this option. Okay, the next option is product title. If you disable it, the title of all products will be gone. Next is the product category. You can see that no product category is shown here. Let me enable it. Now the product category is shown of each products. The following options are product rating and product price. By default, they are enabled, and that's why you can see the product rating and product price. The next option is product quantity. Your customer can add product quantity from the shop page if you enable it. Okay, I disable it for now. The last option is equal product content. It's disabled now. Okay, that's it from the product content. And go to the product image. The first option you can see is hover effect. There are three options in the drop-down menu: none, zoom, and swap. By default, swap is chosen. If you select zoom, the product will show on hover like this. Next is border style. There are 5 available options you can find here. If you select solid, the solid image border will apply it like this. In addition, you can set the border width. Next is border color. Click here, the color section panel shows up. From here, you can select a color. And here it is. The border color of the product image is applied to all of the products. Hit the clear button to remove the color. The color is removed successfully. The last option is disabled, named equal image height. Okay, I close the product image tab and go to the cell tag. The first option is position. These are the cell tag. You can find the two options for the position of the cell tag: right and left, left and right. By default, the left is selected. If you select the right option, the cell tag will be in the right position like this. Okay, I make it left again. The next is text. Here, cell is written. I keep it up and focus on the text color. Click here to open the color palette. You can change the cell color in this way. In the same way, you can change the background color. With the help of the range slider, you can set the border radius. Next is the cell percentage. If you disable it, no percentage will be shown. Instead of percentage, only cell will be shown. Next is cell square, which remains disabled by default. Okay, I close cell tag and explore the out of stock level. Here you can see sold out. This is the concern on. It is positioned at the top left corner. The background color is red. And the text color is white. I change the display from this drop-down menu, right? See, it is on the top right corner. If I select none, sold out will vanish. Okay, I come back to the right. I close this and go to the wish list button. The first option is support for plugin. Click on this drop-down menu. 2 plugins are available on my system. TI WooCommerce Wishlist plugin came with Woostify theme when we installed essential plugins. Okay, the next is position. You can find here these 3 layouts. Okay, I hide the wishlist button. And last one, explore the add to cart button. The necessary options are provided here, like position, cart icon, color, and border radius. Now hit publish. And get back to the WooCommerce menu. Now let's explore the product single sub-menu. Here you can find 7 customization tabs: General, Product Image, Product Meta, Product Data tabs, Related Products, Recently Viewed Products, Button Add to Cart. These configuration menus will only work on a single product page. For example, for this purpose, I select Polo T-shirt. This is the single product page of Polo T-shirt. Now let's explore the General tab. The first option is breadcrumb. This is the breadcrumb of this product. If you disable it, the breadcrumb will vanish from this page like this. Okay, I enable it. The following 2 options are product navigation and Ajax single add to cart. They also have the option to make these things enable or disabled. The next option is the stock level. If you disable it, the stock label will disappear from here. Let me enable it. See, the stock label has come again. The loading bar is located below the stock label. If you disable it, the loading bar will also disappear. The next option is minimum stock to show. Here you can see the value is set 0 by default. You can set your required value. Okay, the next one is content background. To change the background of the content, click on it. Let me set a color from here. See, the content background color is set here like this. To remove this color, click on the clear button. The color is gone. There is also a reset button to reset the background color. The next option is called Trust Based Image. You can select an image from your media library. I'm not doing it right now. You can set an image for this option for your experiment. The next tab is Product Images. The first option under this tab is Gallery Style. Hit the drop-down menu. You will find a couple of options here: WooCommerce Default and Theme. Okay, the next one is Gallery Layout. You can use only one layout from these 4 gallery layouts. The next option is Image Loading Effect. By default, it is enabled. The next option is Gallery Zoom Effect. If you disable it, the image zooming on hover will be disabled like this. Okay, let me enable it again. Similarly, you can enable or disable Gallery Lightbox Effect. Okay, the next tab is Product Meta. I enabled it. 3 essential options are available here: SKU, categories, and tags. If you disable any of this, they will not be shown on this page like this. Okay, I enable those again. Next, I want to explore the Product Data tabs menu. The first one is Layout. Click on this drop-down menu to see how many layouts are there. As you can see, there are 2 layouts, Normal and Accordion. The next one is Position. In this drop-down menu, there are 2 options: In Product Summary and After Product Summary. Let me scroll down the web page. We are talking about this section. If you select In Product Summary, that section, description, additional information, and reviews will come here in the Product Summary section. I think it will be better to send them to the previous location. That's why I select After Product Summary. Okay, next is Items. As you can see, there are 3 tabs here: Description, Additional Information, and Reviews. You can remove any of these tabs with the help of this cross button. Click on this down arrow sign to explore a tab. In addition, you can add another tab here. To do that, click Add Tab button. See, a custom tab has come. Okay, that's it. Let me remove it. A warning appears from the top. Click OK. The custom tab has been removed successfully. Now, let me explore the Related Products tab. First, let me see where the related products are located on the single product page. And here they are. If you disable display, the related products will disappear from this page. Okay, I enable it. The next thing, column. As you can see, there are 4 products. I set here 3. You see, now there are 3 products. You can set the total products as well. The following option is Enable Carousel. Let me enable it. The following two options are show arrows and show dots. All are enabled, so let me click hide controls. See, the right and left arrow signs have appeared. They work perfectly. Okay, I scroll down once again. The next tab is recently viewed products. If you disable the display of it, the recently viewed products section will disappear. Okay, I keep this thing. You can change the section title as well as the total product. And the last configuration tab is button add to cart. You can change the background color and the text color for both normal and hover. And last one is border radius. Okay, that's it. Now hit publish and get back. Cart page. The next configuration tab for WooCommerce is the cart page. But first, let me add this product to my cart page. To do that, click on Add to Cart button. Okay, the shopping cart of Canvas appears from the right side. Now hit View Cart. As you can see, the polo t-shirt has been added to the cart page successfully. The first option here is the cart page layout. By default, layout 2 is selected. And you can see how this layout displays the cart page. This is the product details on the right side. Cross-sell products and cart totals are shown. If you choose the first layout, the cart page will display the product details, cross-sell product, and cart totals like this. Above will be the product details of the order, and below will be the rest of the information. The next option is the sticky Proceed to Checkout button. This feature is available on the mobile version. Okay, I select the previous layout, which seems nice to present the cart page. Then click this back arrow sign to come back from the cart page to the WooCommerce. Shipping threshold. The next option before the last one is shipping threshold. Click on it. Shipping threshold influences buyers to buy more products. You can use this feature to specify a specific threshold value. If your client meets the level, they will receive free delivery. Well, there are two configurations tabs. First one is general. It contains several configuration options such as enable shipping threshold, enable confetti effect, enable progress bar, goal amount, initial message, and success message. The other configuration tab is design. You can change the message color and the progress bar color from here. Okay, now go back to the WooCommerce menu once again. Mini cart. Now it's time to explore the last configuration tab, Mini cart. Hit here. There are 4 configuration tabs: General, Top Content, Before Checkout button, and After Checkout button. First, let me click on General tab. You can change the background color from here. When your customer's cart is empty, you can throw a message: no products in the cart. Moreover, you can enable or disable the empty cart button. Now come to the top content. Here you need to select content from this drop-down menu. The next option is Before Checkout button. You need to select any content from this drop-down menu from these options: None, Custom HTML, and Free Shipping Threshold. You find similar things from the Alter Checkout button. Okay, that's it from the WooCommerce. Close the Woostify Customizer panel. Before closing this Customizer panel, you should publish your changes. Otherwise, a warning message will show up like this, which will inform you that all of your changes will be lost. I click here. Okay, because I don't want to keep my changes right now. Okay, now we are on the admin dashboard. You can access the Woostify theme customizer panel from the dashboard. Just hover on appearance and click customize. See how easy to open the theme customizer panel. Hi everyone, thank you for watching the full course. I believe by now you are able to create any e-commerce website using WooCommerce. If you face any issue, you can let me know. I will try my level best to help you out.